Alright, so now we need to use our preference DataStore. So I'm just gonna copy the dependency, paste it here. I'm gonna sync. Alright, now it has sync. I'm just gonna create a new Kotlin file for our DataStore manager, which is gonna be responsible for working with a DataStore. So since it's gonna be responsible, we will need to pass the DataStore, and I will make it preference after. Now we need to implement the member of methods from the DataStore management, and in order to update the serial, we need to access our DataStore, we need to edit, and we need to modify the preference. Now we need a key for the serial key, and we're gonna update it. So now let's start by making our key. I will make a companion object and I will name it key. It's just gonna be constant value serial key. It's gonna be serial. Constant value of brand key. It's gonna be brand. And we will also need serial key, which is gonna be string preference key of type serial key. And I will do the same for the brand key. Alright, amazing. Now we have our update preference ready, but we have a warning, not warning, an error, because it tells us edit should be code only from quarantine. And this is really good, because if you used shared preference, you wouldn't have this error. But since DataStore work asynchronized, so you can't really update a data on the UI thread. This will transform an error and show you an error. So that's really nice. Now we need just to add suspend function here. And now we have our DataStore work fine. And if we went to our DataStore management, we will find out that we have added our suspend function. Now let's just add suspend function for update brand. And update brand, now we need to implement suspend function. I will do the same for the update brand, but instead I will just return brand key and it will be brand. Now to get the serial, we need just to relate to the data to a map, and this map has the preference, and we just want to get the serial key. And if it's somehow empty, I'm just gonna make it empty. Alright, and we should return our flow. In order to make it more clear, I'm just gonna make another variable here. It's gonna be flow of type string, and we're gonna return brand. It's actually serial flow, so I'm just gonna refactor it, and I will do the same for the brand. Actually, the brand isn't there, so I'll just copy and paste it. Brand flow. We're gonna return brand and brand key, and that's it. Now we have our brand, we have our update brand, we get brand, I get serial, and update serial. And that's it for implementing our DataStore manager.